Oh, good morning. Oh, guys. What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. I don't understand the high-low joke, chicken. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day today, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys know what's going on with the AMC news. I don't with the offering or they sold some shares, 11.5 million. B. Riley, Citibank. Um, this was initially back in April, 27, I believe, when the first news broke out, and I believe it was around 43 million shares in which they were allowed to sell. But what I'm confused is that I thought that had fallen through already. Who knows if they have more shares on the shelf? Share sold wasn't back. It is April. The filing just came through today, and they filed that they had closed it within 2 weeks. I'm getting the timelines confused. Like I'm trying to think back to what Adam Aaron said and to see if there's anything wrong with the timelines. I'm sorry guys, I need to look more into this. I woke up with like this COVID freaking shot is not it's worse than I thought. I have like the worst headache. It could be and then we have the jobless claims numbers out. Let's take a look at that, which was pretty good. But Nasdaq said otherwise. The market just opened. Nasdaq took a big poo poo, guys. It was pulling back aggressively. Finally, guys, by the way, yesterday after hours, the Fed decided that it's gonna start selling some of the corporate bonds they've been buying. I believe they started buying last March and throughout the summer too. So, like we've talked about, I think this whole meme stock, I hate calling it meme stocks, AMC, GameStop, it has a lot of attention. But don't forget the Fed, guys. Don't forget the Fed. There's a whole market out here. Don't forget the Federal Reserve. They're the ones that are controlling everything. And that's why I bought some VIX calls because who knows how the CPI looks in a week from now. I did eat, yeah. No, I thought the first shot wasn't that bad, you know? That's what I heard until I was like, oh crap. And my arm is still sore. I can't believe it. Yeah, the interview with Trey's coming out today. So let's see what happens. Correct. There was 43 million. So they should have some they should probably still have some to sell. And keep in mind that was at I think it was at $18 they said on the filing. Who knows what they've done in the last couple days, right? If it's gonna take that long to file it and see that, can you imagine at these prices what they must have done? That it's gonna come out in the next couple weeks. What's today? Thursday, right? Yeah. So we should have that proxy coming out too. Oh, what warning? The warning? Chicken? I'm not sure what you mean. Guys, Tesla was down under 6 today, pre-market too. How is this doing? 5.99. AMC's coming down 56. They dropped this crazily pre-market. This started to tank from 74, literally at pre-market at 4 a.m. in 30 minutes. Oh gosh, don't tell me it's gonna get halted too. That's what I'm scared of. The halts, guys. Yesterday we saw like 4 or 5 halts, but AMC ate the halts up like really well, really well. Don't get halted. And the good part about AMC and GameStop is that AMC helped GameStop a lot to push up, but on the flip side, it's pulling it back to costs is another one. BlackBerry I think was also hot. Oh my gosh. I did not see BlackBerry till now. 2154? Okay, guys, I was gonna buy calls at 11 when it was down here, and I was like, no, you know what? I think I'm chasing it. Damn, man. It is what it is, though. Oh, that support should be pretty well at 50, guys. I don't think AMC could crack 50. Workhorse? Workhorse. Didn't they lose their contract? Hmm. Oh my God, this is another meme stock. EV names with high short interest. Damn, everything's rallying. How's Bed Bath? 48. Oh, it's pulling back now. There's the bounce. There's the bounce. There we go. Oh yeah, Nvidia has the meeting today too. It should be a pretty interesting day. Today we would have had the Tesla Model S Plaid event, but Elon, by the way, Elon's getting investigated for two of his tweets. Elon's Tesla has not been really doing well, guys. Cheers. Yes, let's see if they have we have the stock split. 673. Look at the 4 hour on Nvidia. Beautiful. How's AMD? Kind of flat today. On the 4 hour, we're bouncing straight off the EMA. Pretty interesting at 50. Also, I think 50 is going to be a pretty decent support level. Pretty strong. Look at that bounce to 58. Woohoo! Baby! Come on, GameStop. Let's go. 59. 60. Gold is cratering. Yeah, I think silver was pulling back too. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. What does Twitter have for us? AMC stock. Oh, this was yesterday's though. They're talking about the halts on here. Let's see what else. Bitcoin 2021. Apes together strong. I sold my Bitcoin yesterday in Ethereum, by the way. I had a little bit, nothing too crazy, but I sold it yesterday. McLovin. Happy birthday to McLovin. June 3. Damn. That's funny. I love that movie. AMC was gonna hit 100 today. I mean, it still can. It still can, but it should have hit 100 right now as we're speaking. We had that little setback, but uh, who knows, man? AMC has been really nuts. Even in the filing, guys, the AK filing that AMC put out, AMC knows what's going on. They clearly said, "Be careful investing into our stock. You could lose all your money." They've said that. Obviously, for a lot of legal purposes too, but they understand. This could have been at 100 right now. To think about it, that's crazy. Yeah, Nasdaq. Are we pulling back on Nasdaq? Oof. Ride. Lordstown. What? Don't tell me it's another high short interest stock. Probably is. All you see, AMC is literally on every stock news here. I think even Tesla had AMC. Where is it at? Right here. Top three ETFs with the highest exposure to AMC Entertainment. AMC Entertainment swings wildly. That's crazy. Sundial is running. Oh man, 150. I'm not gonna chase that. Absolutely not. My times with Sundial are over. Let's see what news we have on Twitter. Let's go over it really quick. Mm, mm, mm. So they were speculating somebody knew about the news coming out today because someone bought 10 million or something like that and puts right before the close. That was via Big Whales on Twitter. If you don't follow those free accounts that post a lot of the big positions for crypto, Whale Alert and Unusual Whales, I'm sorry, Unusual Whales for stocks, highly recommend you follow them. They post a lot of free info on Twitter. Very valuable. Yeah, gold is falling. Down 2%. GameStop pulling back. AMC coming back down. We're down almost 10% on AMC. I don't think that's too crazy. I mean, yesterday it was up like 99%. I heard some talks on AHT. I don't get it. Let's see. Let's pull up AHT. Ashford. Let's say to the third. AMC's right here as well. NVCN. I don't know. I guess the calls. I need to look into the calls. That's my speculation on this. I don't really see another reason why this would be running. I think everything, like a lot of the costs, BlackBerry, Bed Bath and Beyond are running just because of AMC. I think AMC's strong, man. I think that force, that volume is transferred into a lot of stocks. That's just my guess. I think people are like a lot of people made a lot of money on AMC calls. I think people are out there searching for other stocks that they can get pennies. Um, they could buy contracts, these options calls for pennies, and just ride them up. I mean, what did the AMC contracts go up to the calls, guys? I think some of them were at pennies and they were at $14 yesterday. That's insane. Oh my gosh. The Nasdaq is really dumping, guys. The Nasdaq is really falling. Look at the market. I think that's from yesterday. I don't think this updates until like 30 minutes. My VIX call should be printing me some money. Come on, VIX, wake up. Like, I really do think the market's gonna pull back aggressively in like in less than 14 days. We're probably gonna come back down here at 13. That's just my guess. And we'll see. We'll see if the market really does pull back aggressively. Is that gonna affect these stocks? Which I don't think it should, but I'm curious to see. Bring Tesla down, man. I'm waiting for Tesla. 595. Can we see 539 again? 539 will be insane. It's flopping back down. I don't trust what's going on right now with Tesla. I'd rather just wait it out. AMC not looking too strong here. Don't come down. How are we on the 5? So we've honored the EMA here on the 5. I think 50, man. 50 could be a pretty decent support level. I'm not looking at the level 2 just because my computer tends to lag when I have the level 2, the TNS, the times and sales. So if you guys see any big walls, just shout it out in the chat. Appreciate that. Or any support levels. The only thing I'm scared of is a halt today on the way down. I think that's a different sentiment than it was yesterday. So just be careful. I mean, I don't blame AMC coming down. The whole market, I think, is falling. Look at this. It's still falling. Yeah, Tesla's not doing good right now, man. I love Tesla. I love Elon, but I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. Don't tell me I got halted, man. Don't effing tell me I got halted. What I was just talking about. Oh my gosh. I got halted on the way down. Fuck. And I was gonna buy too. Oh gosh. You can almost predict this. I was gonna buy the dip right now, but my gut told me just wait. I have a bad feeling. GameStop, pick yourself up, man. Bitcoin is long. I sold my Bitcoin yesterday. Um, I don't know how I feel about holding Bitcoin into the CPI prints. Usually you would expect something like that to be an inflationary hedge, but I just don't want to deal with it because if the market does come down, I think it's gonna bring Bitcoin down. Bitcoin's looking primed to break 40 though. I'm not gonna lie. I just rather just take my profits and forget about it. Yeah, I got halted. To volatility though, volatility on the way down. We were literally just talking about this like a minute ago and it happened in 30 seconds. uh, uh, uh. GameStop going back down to 250 support. It'd be 250 support for GameStop and 50 support for AMC. Circuit breaker. Yep, yep. The 10-year is spiking. Let's go. Let's see. 10-year Trez. Yeah, 1.61. Nasdaq new low, still pulling back. How's my Tesla? 593. The VIX is coming back up. Let's go. Print me some tendies, VIX. I was gonna buy some puts on TLT, the treasuries, but I just went with VIX. What calls do I have for VIX? Let's check. I have weekly's June 23, $30 call on VIX. I'm up 140 on this one. I bought him really close though. Not as far out as I would usually. I mean, I don't even do options, but usually I'd rather be like conservative and just be safe and go far out. But obviously they're a little bit more expensive. And the reason I got what I say 20 or 18 or 23 was the Fed meetings 15 June 15 June 16 we have the CPI print on the 10th. So my I'm just betting that the Fed starts talking about tapering potentially thinking about the thought of tapering. That's what I'm trying to say. Or maybe interest rates rise in the future. That's my best bet. And sensitive assets like stocks, maybe even crypto, start to pull back, and you see the VIX shoot up. So that's just my little guess there. How long is the halt typically? I think 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. The VIX is wild as fuck. You stops always. Yeah, the VIX can get really, really crazy. I mean, look what happened in March of last year, guys. The VIX hit like 80. Like those people who bought calls, oh my God, they made. I know 50 Cent, the rapper, the artist. He made like so many mil. He made a lot of millions. He bought VIX calls. He bought VIX calls, man. Oh man, they printed some crazy tendies. And I could be wrong. The Fed could come out and say, "Hey, we're not gonna do anything. We're not gonna stop our tapering. We're still gonna be about 120 billion in assets a month." And stocks could go parabolic. I could get wrecked. But I'm just taking a small bet. Let's see what people are saying. Trading halted. Can you survive this volatility? I know I can. And the fact that I have an entire community holding with me and adding more on the dip. It's pulling back. Oh, crap. Bounce, baby. There we go. What I'm scared is another halt. Because it can get halt after halt. That's what happened with GameStop back in January. And it sucked. So let's wait to see how this stock bounces here, in which it should bounce at 50. I think it should be holding 50 pretty well. I think I just saw a wall here too. I think it might also get halted on the upside. Don't forget that too. It could get halted on the way up. Let's see. There's a little bit of selling pressure on this candle. That might go red. Oh shit. Hold, baby. Yeah, people are fucking panicking. Oh shit. Bro, AMC should be at 100 right now. I told you, F Adam Aaron. This stock got halted again on the way down. Look. This stock got halted on the way down. Fuck Adam Aaron, bro. I swear to God. Adam Aaron is a piece of shit. Adam Aaron is killing the stock. This stock should be at 100. That's the problem I have with AMC is the CEO. He doesn't give a crap about us. Jeffries said to block short sellers in GameStop, AMC, and Microvision from being executed. I told you, Adam Aaron is the enemy. He doesn't give a shit, and you guys call me a shit. People were calling me a shill. So then how do you explain the same movement with GameStop? They're gonna be correlated, guys. I don't understand why people are saying they are confused about this. GameStop was the initial first big squeezer in January. AMC followed. And GameStop cooled down. AMC took off. They flipped the script. GameStop follows. Cost, BlackBerry, Sundial, they're all gonna move together. This quote unquote meme stock is a sector. They're gonna move together. I don't understand the confusion on that. I really don't. It's like Tesla, it's like Neo, the EVs, they're sectors. Is Adam Aaron working for Citadel? There's a filing that came out that his name was on the board of directors for a Citadel SPAC. I was like, oh crap, this is kind of weird, right? This is kind of weird. I was like, I'll let it go. I'll give Adam Aaron the benefit of the doubt for the 100th time. I'll let it be what it is. Let's see what he says. He came out to say he has no idea what was that, what that was, you know? How do you have no idea if your name's on there on legal filings, legal public documents? So now we just need this stock to bounce, man. Twitter debuted subscription service, the Twitter Blue service, at $3 a month. Who's going to pay for that? Just off of technicals, 36 is like the next support, I would say. 30, 35. GameStop is bouncing here, so I'd love to see a bounce, and this gets halted on the way up. Come on. Oh, man. Morning, Lawrence. This needs to just like bounce aggressively here. Just right back, just like GameStop did back in January. Got halted on the way down 4 times, and then it got halted for like 3 times on the way up. So we need to see a bounce to like 50, and it gets halted on the way back up to like 54. Come on. Who's Skinny P? I'm telling you guys, Adam Aaron is a shill. I don't think people realize that. They're in love with him. And I was one of them too. Like, I like the guy, you know? Like, the conference calls were amazing, the earnings calls were amazing, and I started to see the true colors. I started to open my eyes and be like, oh crap, this is not the guy we should trust. Guys, we held for the long. You guys held probably more longer than me, right? Longer time frame than me. But I held for quite some time, and he never gave anybody credit. He never gave credit for Reddit. He never acknowledged the people who came and flocked to the company. He never did until he realized later on that that was the reality. Now we need to bounce, baby. Come on. There we go. It's back open. Bounce. Just rip up. It needs to rip up here. Get halted on the way up. There we go. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. It needs to hold 50s today. That's the key. That's the key there. Get halted on the way up. Come on. Come on. There we go. 46. It got halted on the way up. Damn. Oh man, it got halted on the way up. That's exactly what happened in January. These plays, man. Oh yeah, I reached back to you on the email, Rich. I appreciate that. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, we have the interview with Adam Aaron and Trey today, right? Thursday, after hours. So on the 4 hour, this is barely under the EMA. If it can close above 50 today, oh man. Slingshot engaged. That's exactly what happened with GameStop back in January. It went from 320 to 112, and then it went right back up to 320. Let's take a look at Tesla and the Nasdaq really quick. Meanwhile, this is it's bouncing. Nasdaq is bouncing. Let's give it some time. Halted again. Yeah, I kind of had a feeling that was gonna happen. Halted on the way up too. This is crazy. I think a close above 50 is a good close, a good day. Halted on Weeble. Yeah, it got halted on the way up. Morning, Colleen. I think you need to go lie down. No, I popped a Tylenol, so I should be good. Alrighty, let's go. Adam Aaron is gonna go on trade trades and make some big lie that will get eaten up and believed, effed up. Uh, I don't know what's gonna come out on the proxy. I don't know. I don't even want to guess. It's gonna be what it is, you know. Let's just wait for the proxy. I do. My gut might be telling me that there might be something coming out that might not be really in our favor. Maybe more shares that might be diluted. But let's just wait. I mean, the last time he had an interview, I think they were trying to pitch the 500 mil. I said, F you. Nope. So I don't know. Let's just wait and see. Call me a I don't think I would have been able to do the live without the Tylenol. It's not even a headache. It's literally a pain in between my eyes. Hash browns and water. And my arm is still sore. I can't believe it. It's the 5G, right? It's the 5G. I'm getting an update via Bluetooth from the government. Come on, AMC, we're waiting. Get on halted. That's called the headache. Come on. Let's check the news tab on here. It's probably getting flooded. Beyond Bed Bath and Beyond. Oh, it's unhalted. There we go. Okay. It's bouncing. 47. It needs to get halted again on the way up. Come on. Come on, baby. 48. Look at the orders, man. Look at the times and sales. Look how fast those orders are coming in. My computer can't keep up. That's insane. What's the volume, guys? The volume on this. There we go. Get halted again on the way up. Oh my gosh, we're almost back at 50. This is a crazy volatility. Hold 50 now. It just needs to push to the EMA on the 5 is at 53. There's 50 again. 94. I'm not peeping the walls here. 96. Where's that break above 50? Let me see it. There's a little bit of pressure here at 40 at the low 50s. I don't see any walls here. Come on, give me 50. What's stopping this? 99. 50. Oh, there is a couple walls here, guys. Look at this. You guys see these? These walls here at 50 flashing really quick. I think it could break 50 though. Come on. The orders are like Guitar Hero on Expert. Good old days. 107 mil. Damn. AMC has been the number one trade. Oh, Oren Kitty tweeted the number one stock, taking over Amazon, Tesla. Tesla's usually number one. Oren Kitty. That's what he tweeted. Yeah, there aren't those aren't huge walls like we've seen before in AMC. We should crack 50 now. The IMAX CEO just disclosed that AMC is looking for acquisitions in partnership with them. Acquisitions? That's what got them in trouble pre-pandemic. Amazon will stop testing potential employees for marijuana use and will back efforts to legalize marijuana at the federal level. Amazon. Come on, AMC, crack 50. We need to push to 53. We're looking for 53 on this break. It's seen resistance at 50. I think it could break. Come on. 53. Come on. There we go. There we go. $51. This is going for 53 right now. It might have, damn, 50.96. So on the five guys, we're kind of oversold here. We're looking for a push to 53 in the next coming minutes. But the question is, or my concern is it going to get rejected and come back down? Higher lows? Is it going to break past 53, go back to 60? Let's wait and see. Yeah, bro, I want to see 100 on AMC. I want to see 100. 51 again. 51.50. Almost 52. Come on. Come on. Almost 50. 51.90. Is this the closest we're going to get to the 5? Come on. We're right there. Shoot for 53. Take a look at the heat map really quick. Oops. It's not looking too juicy. You guys got mistreated by that 500 mil. That 500 mil was a big spit in the face. It was a slap in the face. I know, yes, he pulled it out, blah blah blah. Come on, GameStop 261. It's all BS, man. What he said that, oh, we don't need to sell any more shares till next year and whatnot. Till 2022 and all this. We'll see what happens with the interview today with Trey. Let's see what other things he has to say. Maybe he brings up Winston Churchill again. I'll see you later, Destroyer. Yeah, we should be pretty well here at 50, where it's not doing too crazy bad. At least it bounced off 42. That's what we were hoping for. There's some slight walls here at 51. Morning, John. Let's go. We're going for 53. The last thing we want, guys, is for us to come down to like 45, 46. I think we start getting kind of shaky here. especially after pre-market and with the halts that just happened. So if it can hold 50 here, better territory here at 55, 56, that'd be way better, way safer than coming back down. But again, we just have to wait and see. Morning, morning, Gardenum. Were you able to find the stream today? YouTube usually likes hiding us. YouTube loves hiding us. There we go. Come on, 53s. Come on. Yeah, GTT was also going up. I took a look at it when you mentioned it yesterday in the chat. We're so close. This is a pretty bullish 5-minute candle. $52. Come on. We're there, guys. Look, it just printed 52. Now we're going to 53. That's the 5 EMA. It's a little indecisive here. We just need a fat rip right here. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. 52.66, 83. We're going to 53. All right, we hit our little price target here. 53 on the print on the 5. This is the 5-minute EMA. The big real tests come here. GameStop pushing up. The real test comes here for AMC. Is it going to get rejected off 53, or are we going to see a bigger push here? Continued momentum, extension to like 56. Way safer territory if we're above EMA. So that's the real test here. 53 is breaking. Let's go. On the 15-minute, we tapped 41, the SMA. Yeah, the $40 mark was looking a little shaky there. So that's why we don't want to go back down to like 40s. It gets a little spooky there. Morning, GT. Let's find new highs on them. That'd be nuts. We should be at 100 right now. All right, 54. Let's go to 56. Morning, Chris. All right, these walls are here again. You guys see these at 54s? 54.50. Look at the wall here. Pretty small wall, though. I think it should break. 54.50 is touching it again. 54.50, 54.62. It broke. Let's go to 56. The higher, the better, man, because then we have some cushion for a pullback. That 15 minutes is pretty beautiful. Look at that bounce. Take a look at NASDAQ. Pushing up. VIX is probably dropping. 18. VIX is back down. AMC crashes as the new most shorted stocks include Workhorse, GTT explode higher. No, it's not. Let's see. Delete Facebook. That's trending. All right, we're back at 54.80s. We should see 55 right now. Oh my gosh, look at this wall here. This is a big wall, 55. I cannot make this up. Take a look for yourself. At 55, there's a massive wall there. I think it should break though. The momentum is in our favor. That's a huge wall. We're seeing the walls again. We haven't seen the walls in the last couple days. I think the walls are gonna be breakable though. Let's see. There was a pretty decent wall at 55. $55. Break that wall, baby. It broke. All right, 56. Oh, we're at 56. 50.66. We're literally almost back to 58. Look at that rebound here. pull this down a bit. That's insane. It needs to hold above the blue line now. Above 53 it would be beautiful here. 52, 53. 56. Maybe 57 here on this last candle before a pullback. Because it's obviously going to have to pull back, I believe, here to like 53. But if it can hold above 53 for the next coming hour or so, oh man, that'd be perfect. 57s. Look at that consistent momentum ever since we got on halted here. That's insane. Alright, we might see the pullback here. As expected. It's holding 56 still. The patience. I think the drop had to do with a lot of the panic from the first initial halts and it being down pre-market and Adam Aaron selling too. AMC's not halted. Alex. It was halted earlier. Twice on the way down and once on the way up. I mean, Adam Aaron told people, he didn't tell people not to buy. He just gave that warning. I mean, it's just legal jargon. They understand it's very risky. I mean, think about it. If you bought yesterday at close, stop losses too. Stop losses. All right, I think this is the pullback. If it can hold 53, 54, that'd be perfect. Let's take a look at this on the 5 to get a bigger picture. I would say 54, 53. Alrighty, we're bouncing. Whoo, perfect. 54, baby. Bull trap. Hmm. I think things start to get a little spooky again once we start retesting and flirting with like 44, 46. At 54, I think this is in safe territory for now. I mean, but we're just like 35 minutes into the market open. We still got a whole ass trading day ahead of us. It's holding. Artillery short's about to get wrecked. Let's take a look at Tilray. Sundial, 130s, BlackBerry 17. Damn, Bed Bath and Beyond is really coming down. We had 48 after hours yesterday. Good old Tesla is coming back down. Does that mean Nasdaq's pulling back? Slightly, yes. Let's set an alert just in case the market starts really aggressively pulling back. At or below for this one. Let's set a Tesla alert because we might day trade this one if it comes down under the pre-market low of 589. It's coming back down though. Hmm. Uh, uh, um, mm. Let's just wait. AMC still above 54, which is the EMA. Beautiful. Let this hold support here. It's holding pretty well. Stacks a lot. You saw me, right? I was trying to pull the trigger on Tesla. It's really taunting me right now. Oh man. All right, Mark Cuban just tweeted. Let's see what he says. Watching CNBC. Someone's smoking some pot. Watching CNBC, and the guest who used to work at the SEC has absolutely no understanding of crypto. Says there is zero utility. One certainty is crypto will continue to positively impact the businesses more than the SEC. I'm happy to educate him on the applications we are developing. AMC's coming back up. Beautiful support. Get rid of the roach. No, no, no. Nah, man, I'm literally licking my lips right now. All right, we're back at 56. I think 50s is a pretty decent support, even for GameStop. 250s is pretty solid. Oh crap, my mouse is connected. Bro, what the? There we go. Don't be lazy. This is a bit. It's funny because right when I woke up, I got the CNBC alert that they had sold the shares. It was like 4 in the morning. I can't even sleep because I'm freaking drenched in sweat. Hashtag shout out to Moderna for that. Woke up like sweating. Like I just got done exercising. Go ahead, man. I'm not telling you guys to not trust Adam Aaron. I'm just not gonna trust him. I don't trust the guy. I don't trust him. You guys can love him. I don't care. That I'm just gonna tell you what I think. And if you're not happy with that, you could just click away. But yeah, naked. Let's take a look at naked. Oh, I hit $1. Moderna equals weight loss journey. All right, we're back at 54. And maybe once try and verify information before y'all fling FUD on the walls. Bro, where are these people coming from? At least we're getting popcorn with our shares, right? At least we get some popcorn. Maybe after he put the 11 mil, maybe a soda? At least, come on. Smash the like button. That's right, Vinny. I would appreciate if you guys are enjoying this or find any value. It helps tremendously to give a big F you to YouTube because YouTube likes to hide our streams. YouTube likes to not alert our streams out. I appreciate that, Kevin. Ralph, I appreciate your honesty. Not everyone can agree all the times. Opposition can provide clarity at times. What sucks though is telling the truth and being different nowadays is really it's hard. People don't like that, you know? It's hard for people to look both ways. Yeah, it never alerts you when you're live. It's not. I don't know why YouTube does that. So right now for AMC GameStop, we're chilling with GameStop here at 260s. On the 1 hour, this is not bad. Uptrend is still there. AMC at 50. The potential is still there. Look at the uptrend. We're still holding and honoring the uptrend. I don't think that's bad at all. People have become too tribalized. It's called a cult, man. That's what it is. There's a cult for everything. Meme stocks, Tesla, Bitcoin, anything. And anything you see against that, you're called a shill, a hedgy, FUD. Not bad, not bad. We're holding 50. I think we might end it here, guys. Um if it does come down to 44, 46 back here, just be a little careful. I don't want this thing to get halted again, but I think it should be solidly holding 50. 50 is where you initially wanted to hold. So let's wait and see. 50s, I think it could hold 50. As for GameStop too, GameStop's gonna follow. If AMC comes back down, the AMC rallies, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna do the same thing. What about your cult though? See, there's no cult here, man. We just take a look at everything, the positives and the negatives, and then you just make your decision. That's it. But to join the tribe, you have to eat a whole entire onion, like Rob said. I already got my workout. 50s. That's the target, guys. 50s. Call me Uncle Ralph. But yeah, guys, I'll leave you with that. I'm like eyeing Tesla. I have my eye there, I'm peeking, but I don't know if Nasdaq's going to continue on to sink under, and if it does, it can get really ugly, head into the Fed CPI print. They've already started selling some of those corporate bonds, so let's wait and see what happens. But I'm eyeing Tesla under 589. Oh crap. All right, it's testing 50. So watch the 50 hold. Again, it's going to do the same thing. GameStop will do the same thing as AMC. Where there's still a long trading day ahead. But with that being said, damn it, I can't just see this on GameStop. Stop dropping. Um, with that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay wise, and I will see you guys later on for a video.